Well, the road is completely covered with water here. I gotta go check the boats. My one boat's on this side, but the tide is just straight up over the road here. I'm going through it. There's the dock over there, I don't know. I mean, the water's just coming right on across the road here. Back up to dry land, but yeah, it looks like it's across the parking lot here too. Pretty good. Comes another little bass. I guess we got a high spot in the road here, but it's almost over the barrier. It is all, the whole parking lot's just flooded here. This is 2 mile dock over here. Wow, I haven't seen it like this in a while. It's been a long time actually since I've seen it up in the parking lot like this. Holy smokes. But I gotta check my boat, make sure it's good. I'd say there's over a foot of water. I mean, there's a utility trailer right there, and it's pretty high up on it. The whole parking lot. My boat's down the end here. I'll go up on the ramp and I'll be able to walk to the boat without any water, but I have not seen it like this in quite a few years. Slush. Up here on the dock here now. I'll check my little boat. There she is out there bobbing. I gotta put some extra lines on her.